Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, my dear Vascular colleague. Another quick presentation on how can you read information about an author or a publisher, anyone that has published scientific work in the vascular surgery. If you want to get the information, how much uh, papers he has presented and what is the power of this paper regarding how many citations he has achieved. I have collected for you what I called source of author information from 1 to 10. Now, this information is, I did arrange them in the best one first and the least important second. So, SciVal is one of the branches of Elsevier, and I will show you how we can reach. I think this is the best one to get information. Secondly is Scopus. Scopus, one of the tools at Elsevier, and you can get it from the Egyptian National Bank. And Google Scholar is free, so anyone can have Google Scholar, but Scopus and SciVal are not free. Clarivate is also Web of Science, is one of the important source of information about author. And these are, let us say, I call them the best four. Now, the rest is core, science.gov, Semantic Scholar, Bidu, RefC, and Bayes. So let us start, take one of my favorite speakers, like, for example, Mark Whiteley, who has really published quite a lot and really invented quite a lot. And let us start by, let us say, the weakest, which is Google Scholar. And then we go up in what is better. So you can see the difference, which is which. So if we go to Mark Whiteley and put the name and you click on it on Google Scholar, this is the information that you will get. You will get the picture, and you will get the amount of scientific research he has done: varicose vein, endovascular surgery, pelvic congestion syndrome, and venous ulcers. This is his interest. And this is Google Scholar is free. You can access it from anywhere. And these are the titles of his presentation. So you can see he's been cited around 1,000 times by the POSM and Porter-Smith POSM to predicting mortality. And been cited around 1,000 times. It has been published in 1998. And you can have a kind of a schedule here, putting year, 2017, how much a citation, and 2024, because we're still in this year, so citation is less than usual, but last year he reaches citation around 400. And the information that will get all the paper and the power of citation and the year that this has been published. So if we go to the second one, which is Scopus, Scopus is a service by Elsevier. Will give you more detailed information. Let us click on Scopus. You can go to Scopus from the Egyptian Knowledge Bank to go to Elsevier, and from Elsevier, then you will go to Scopus, and then you put the name of Mark Stephen Whiteley, and you will see here a very nice advantage. He put you here the amount of citation between 1995 until 2024. You see how his citation has been done. and the amount of publishing document. It gives you also something which is called H score. H score is an equation that has been developed, and I will show you this equation shortly, that will calculate. So his H score is quite high, which is 27. And you can see here, this is the document. You can see also something new, which is author metric, but you cannot access author metric without having access to Elsevier. So you go to check access, and in the Egyptian Knowledge Bank, if you open all resources and you go down, and you will see here SciVal and the Scopus. So you press on Scopus database. It will be open quietly. And as we said here, it will give you the citation chart, and it will also give you the H index, and the rest of the author metric and the other facility will go to SciVal. So let us move to the best option for researcher, which is the SciVal, which is one of the free service available for Egyptian Knowledge Bank. So let me click here to go to SciVal straight away, and then you need to sign in with your account, Egyptian National Bank, and this is the best to give you the author information. I will confirm my access, Egyptian Knowledge Bank, here. So here is the all the information regarding the researcher, Professor Mark Whiteley. You get here the name, and you will get all the publication. And here is the list. Let us go to, for example, publication metrics, which will give the information about his citation, scholarly output, and then it will give you the output in top citation percentage. So how powerful is the paper? Top journal percentile. Again, if you publish it in a journal which have a very high score, then it's much better. Most cited publication will give you what is the most cited paper regarding him. All these are publication metrics. And if you go to citation metrics, this is all the information regarding citation. It will grab to you. This is a citation count, the count available, citation per publication, which journal have been published, and it will give you the field weighted citation impact, which mean how powerful is your paper in advancing of medicine, and this is the field weighted citation impact. View metric, you can view this in the form of chart, and it will show you the chart in this format, and also journal regarding is it a Q1 paper, a Q2, Q3, and here is the journal quarantine, which mean how powerful is your paper, how many paper Q1, how many paper Q2 and Q3 institution. Also, it will give you the institution that is available in this research. It will give you topics. You can see that SciVal is number one in getting this information, and it will form either form of table if you want to view it, or you can view it in the form of wheel. You can have it in the wheel format like this, or you can have it as a scattered format like this. You get the percentile, and here you get the scholar output. So you can see that SciVal is the best regarding the author tools, and here is the definition of H score by Hirsch in 2005. He proposed an H score defined as the number of paper with citation number equal to or greater than H. Is very useful index to get for scientific output of research. So if your score is 27, it means that you have a citation of 27 paper. Each of them has been cited at least 27 times. And this is the H index by Hirsch 2005. I hope with this quick presentation, I have summarized to you some important information regarding how to get author information. Wish you a very nice day.